Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how to recreate this super Indian glam wedding guest makeup tutorial inspired by the one and only Deepika Padukone. So Deepika had flaunted this look after her wedding with Ranveer Singh. This is such a classy, simple and easy to do makeup look. So I hope you guys will recreate it. If you recreate it, please send it to me on my social media. And also guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So I've tried to keep this as natural and glowy as possible. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. First step, I'm applying a moisturizer. I'm not going to be applying any primer because I want the glow there in my face, so I'm not going to apply any primer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I'm using the Biotics moisturizer. So next step, for my foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation in the shade Mocha. This is my favorite foundation in recent times. I'm blending everything in place using a beauty blender. You may want to color correct if you have a lot of dark spots or discoloration, but I guess my foundation covers all my dark spots and dark circles, so I don't find any need to color correct my skin. Next step, for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer palette just for the purpose of highlighting and concealing the dark circles under my eyes. Blending everything in place using a beauty blender. I guess you guys would have seen me do this a million times, but it's okay. I'm also applying the same concealer on my upper eyelid area because I want it all clean and smooth. Because I'm not going to be applying a dramatic eyeshadow. My shadow is going to be pretty simple, so I want it all plain and smoothed out. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using the LA Colors Barrett All palette in the variant nude. So I've already reviewed this palette and I've created two looks using this one palette. I love this palette. So first I use a chocolate color on my crease area, and on my upper lid area I'm going for the bronze color followed by the champagne shimmer color. That's it for the eyes, guys. Isn't this super easy? Cleaning up the crease area with the brown color again. So for contour, I'm again using LA Colors contour palette. This is the darkest shaded palette. Blending everything. Sorry about my hair flying, guys. So for hair, I've just pinned up a little bit under my neck and I've put a bun with the remaining hair. It is seriously the simplest bun that you can actually do. I've used a hat on it. If you don't need a hat on it, I can just say that you can use your original hair if you have a lot of volume. So yeah, that's it for the hair part. And now jumping back to the makeup, I'm using the Maybelline gel eyeliner for my eyeliner. Not very dramatic, just a small wing in there. Next, for kajal, I'm using my all-time favorite Faces kajal pencil. They're long wear eye pencil, the shade Solid Black. And the lashes that I've used today are from PAC. They are in the variant M75. And for highlighter also, I'm using the PAC's Baked highlighter. I think it's in the shade 08. I'm not sure, I'll drop it down in my description box, you all. highlighting a little bit on my nose. I'm setting up my eyebrows using the Wet n Wild Clear mascara. And for lips, I'm outlining my lips with a dark brown colored lip liner pencil from LA Girl, and I'm filling it in little by little with NYX Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Exotic. If you want to keep it pinky and nude, you can keep it, but I was not okay with it, so I went on with a little bit of red. Not completely red, but just to give that burnt red kind of a feeling. So at last I've applied the bindi and the sindoor, guys. The look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is really simple and easy. So please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please do share it with your friends. Until next time, guys, bye bye.